trying to earn money.
So my dad just left us, and we're supposed to follow him to Raleigh. Yeah. He just left.
There, he's waiting for you. Oh, on.
You know what? I gotta set my. We're trying to go to the state fair. Hey friends, so if you're wondering what we're doing and why we're trying to get to the North Carolina State Fair right now, it's because we have a gig there. It's currently Tuesday, October 9th. It's October 9th. So we're here to just set everything up and bring our van there and put our props there. Yeah. And we're just, you know, doing the usual, getting lost. Oh, he's backing up. Okay. Ha.
No.
What are you doing?
You need to go take some place to
Oh,
go
that's
back.
right. So we made it. We're here. We found the circus tent, and yeah. I don't know what we're doing. I think we're just trying to figure out where to park our Sprinter van. Okay, it looks like I have to back up. I'm not gonna back
No,
up.
go. Let Daddy do it.
Oh, he gets to. So we're here. This is the circus tent. We're just trying to get this big guy right here to get parked right now. But yeah, we'll go and have like a tour or something later, hopefully. Inside, getting everything ready still. The stage. Sad to see people from this angle. So this would be what I hit a pole. This would be what our backstage looks like. As you can see, everyone is getting ready for the fair, just setting everything up. We checked in at the hotel, came all the way back home because I haven't finished packing. Actually, I didn't even start packing, so I just finished. Yay. And then, yeah, tomorrow we start rehearsals, and then Thursday is premiere day. So, yeah. Let's see what we can get filmed tomorrow and stuff. Yeah. And it turns out we don't have rehearsal today, because they're doing rehearsals tomorrow instead. And Mom and Dad just like left us here. So, yeah. Sheree, are you decent? No. What? Really? Say hello. Hi. What you doing?
Ellie's only eye makeup.
Only eye makeup. But I don't know if we're going to the fairgrounds.
Just to be prepared.
She is so prepared. Props are all set. So the inside of the stage, or the show, looks like right now. Ooh, there's someone up there, guys. So, update. We canceled the show tomorrow because this hurricane is hitting us. I think it's Hurricane Michael is hitting us tomorrow. Actually, we're gonna start having thunderstorms tonight. So because of the hurricane, they're being cautious, and they are not opening the state fair tomorrow, which is supposed to be the 11th. So our first show is actually going to be on Friday, which means much. So like, we're just here at show site, getting everything fixed. And yeah, I just gave music out, hung out with met up with some old friends that I hadn't seen in a while, so that's pretty exciting. Okay, update. So this is what everything looks like right now. All day it has just been windy and rainy. It's actually calmed down since like earlier today. Sheree and I have just been here at the hotel all day watching, what is this called again? Dead Files? We've been watching Dead Files. And yeah. So we've literally just been chilling here all day watching Dead Files. We just ate some fried chicken and I just got a message. Okay, I'm gonna ignore that message for a little bit, but yeah. So that is what we've been up to today. And we have shows tomorrow, so yay! Yeah. We basically been bored all day staying here, so maybe I'll go hang out with some friends. You guys ever wonder what would be my ideal workout? It'd be this. Just sitting there and like having him work out in the back. That's my ideal kind of workout.
No hands, no hands, no hands. Oh shit, damn! Oh no! Right!
Today's the day. First day of shows here at the North Carolina State Fair. And we have a rehearsal first. So it is like 7:22. Rehearsal is at 9. Our first show's at 11. And we're doing hair and makeup now because we're too lazy to have to do it there. Priorities. Just finished some of our rehearsals, so now we're just chilling out in the van to finish any of our hair and makeup. I definitely need to fix my hair. This is too straight for me. I need to fix it. I do not like it. And I need to redo my false leads because it's starting to poke me and it hurts. Just finished the second show. Sheree, how do you feel?
Okay.
She felt okay. It was actually a really good crowd. I didn't get to film anything for the first show because my videos didn't save when I did the audience thing, which was totally fine because they weren't expecting a phone to be on stage either. So yeah. Yeah, the show's been pretty good. I'm gonna try to vlog some of the other acts, but right now the second act is already on and I just really need a breather. Yeah, but welcome to the girls' dressing room. There and there. This is the dressing room. Not much to see. So we're here to watch the second show of the circus show, right, Sheree?
Our show is about to begin. You parents just arriving from Rhode Island. Come to the seats. Take your small children by the hand, Mama Pan. Be sure to grab a popcorn and cotton candy or a cold drink. Sometimes nachos, lemon toy, or soup beer. You are in for a great time here at the Big Top.
officially lost my sister.
Are you FaceTiming her? What are you
No, we're looking for her. Part of the vlog. Welcome to the vlog, Vincent.
up? Yeah, what? they're literally standing there and they saw us walk away. We're possibly forgot.
Oh yeah, this is gonna be, I swear, if they're just standing right there where we left them. They are!
What?
They're standing right there still. Look,
How did they not?
we left them
Should we just stand here?
right there. Look at them just talking. Look at last show of the day with Kabira. It's the last show of the day, and then we get to eat. Hey friends, so we're finally back from the fair, all done with shows and things for today. We actually stayed out for a little bit after our last show and went and grabbed some food, and I didn't vlog it because why didn't I vlog it? I didn't even think about vlogging it. So yeah, come out to the fair. We are here until the 21st of October. That's our last day of shows. Shows are like start in the morning, so like the first show is like at 11. So yeah, check it out. Check it on Facebook. North Carolina State Fair, guys. Come see me, say hi. And I just realized that there's so much fair food. I could have easily done a vlog on like all the food I ate today, and I didn't even take any videos of that. So that might be my next video. I'm probably going to vlog about the fair food that I would like to eat or try. Oh yeah, I should try some fair food. Maybe not all of it, but like the ones that look good. So if you liked my video so far, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Get me some more subscribers, because I'm really trying hard, but sometimes it's really difficult to vlog. Guys, I need more ideas of what I should like film and vlog. And don't forget to follow me on social media, on Facebook, facebook.com/TheRealStephanieFausto. Yes, not the Stephanie Fausto. Why can't I even remember my own name? What? And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at smfausto as well. So yeah, go tag me if you have any photos or videos and say hi.